A mail call. Huh. Hey, greetings from Texas. Hope you're getting off to a good start in this new year. I've been holding on to this mail for a couple days, so it's time I acknowledge some mail I received and to give a shout out to some channels. And I will have all these channel links down in the description box below. So first off, from South Dakota, from Scott, SD Mountain Man, another Air Force veteran. I had sent Scott a mail call and a DD-214 shirt. I hope you appreciated that. I'm sure he did. So, all right. I finally got one of his stickers. And my Throne of Honor is getting full, so I'm gonna have to start maybe a sticker board. Anyway, Mark, may the holiday season bring happiness and joy to you and your loved ones. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Always, Scott, SD Mountain Man. And he lives in a really cold place. All right. This one I recognize from K&J in BC, British Columbia. And I want to try to make it up there this year on a motorcycle trip because there's a motorcycle campground called Toad Rock. And I really want to go back there now that the travel ban has been lifted into Canada. So to Mark Kratz and family, hope your Christmas celebrations are special for you in every single way, leaving you with wonderful memories of a Merry Christmas Day. From Kimmer and Gerbs, BC Gerbs. Great people. Recently we were at a meetup of some YouTubers, and so I had some I hadn't subscribed to, and now I am subscribed to, or we'll get to it. So I'm going to acknowledge those channels, and they're going to be down below. Go check them out. It don't cost anything. First off, Southern Boy Prepper from Louisiana. Another guy, he was very interesting, Sammy, talking to of Goodwin Honey. He brought honey. He raises bees. He's knowledgeable on beekeeping, and his knowledge is increasing all the time. I looked into doing that, but it was just too much work for me. Anyway, go check out his channel. Again, link down below. We had Lazy Days Ahead at the meetup. I got one of their stickers. And I had a giveaway there. I gave away some smoked cheeses and Black Rifle coffee and some other things. So that Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. Then there was Troc, T-R-O-C, Vittles and such. Southern Boy Prepper did it. The Pafford Family Homestead. I watched one of their videos today on an interesting pizza dish, which I want to try. Jami, Devil Dog's Keeper. And she does kind of temper him down, keep him in line. Goodwin Honey, we always talked about them. Rosemary Gardens and Southern Crafts. I got to make sure I'm subscribed to them. Kelly's Corner. Cooking with Brandy. Then we had Runneth Over Garden and Life with Nina and Bryce. And then we had the two troublemakers, Gary and Devil Dog Eddie. You can help these channels grow. I know not everyone has content we all enjoy. When somebody makes a comment, leaves a comment on mine, I make sure I go over right away and try to watch one of their videos, at least save it, but I always hit the thumbs up. Now, I've been on YouTube 9 years, and sometimes I'll search and I can't even find my own videos because of the way the analogs or in the algorithms work out. So one way you can help these channels is by leaving a comment. You know, it doesn't cost nothing to leave a thumbs up and to hit the like button. That really helps them out. Sharing also helps, but all those things help these channels, these smaller channels that have aspirations to get into the search algorithms. Your thumbnails are very important. Also, what you put in the description box is very important, and the tags you use. So anyway, I just want to thank you to those that do visit and comment. It is really appreciated. I'm not money driven, so it doesn't really matter to me. My goal is just to kind of get knowledge that I've accumulated through travels in life and my different professions, and to share that with you. So anyway, appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for watching.